This is the Capacitors in Parallel Interactive Calculator, which computes total capacitance and related parameters for parallel capacitor configurations. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate total capacitance, find required capacitor value, calculate energy and charge, verify voltage distribution, calculate reactive power, and calculate time constant with load. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate total capacitance. The main input fields are number of capacitors, which accepts 2 to 10, and individual capacitor values in microfarads. Additional fields include target total capacitance, number of existing capacitors, applied voltage, RMS voltage, frequency, load resistance, and initial voltage. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 3 for number of capacitors, then 10, 20, and 30 microfarads for capacitors 1, 2, and 3 respectively. After clicking Calculate, the results show total capacitance equals 60,000 microfarads. This confirms the fundamental principle that capacitors in parallel simply add together. 10 plus 20 plus 30 equals 60 microfarads. The output also displays the number of capacitors as 3 and lists the individual values as C1 equals 10, C2 equals 20, and C3 equals 30 microfarads. This tool streamlines parallel capacitor calculations for circuit design. Find the link in the description below.